Hello, and welcome back to Neville's Level. In this video, we will be exploring the power of imagination in Neville Goddard's teachings. Neville believed that our imagination is the key to manifesting our desires and creating the life we truly want. So, let's dive in and discover how to harness the power of imagination to achieve our dreams. Neville Goddard believed that our imagination is the most powerful tool we have for creating the life we want. He believed that everything we experience in our physical reality is a result of our imagination. Our imagination creates our beliefs, and our beliefs shape our reality. But what is imagination, and how does it work? Neville defined imagination as the ability to see with the mind's eye. It's the ability to visualize something in your mind as if it's already happening or already true. And when you can do this, you can create a new reality in your mind that can eventually manifest into your physical reality. One of the most powerful techniques that Neville Goddard taught for harnessing the power of imagination is creating visualization. This technique involves visualizing your desired outcome in vivid detail and feeling as if it's already happened. When you can see your desired outcome in your mind's eye and feel the emotions that come with it, you're aligning yourself with the energy of that outcome and attracting it into your life. Another technique that Neville recommended for using the power of imagination is affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself that reinforce your beliefs and your ability to manifest what you want. When you use affirmations regularly, you're training your mind to believe that your desired outcome is already true, and this helps to bring it into your physical reality. In conclusion, the power of imagination is central to Neville Goddard's teachings. By harnessing the power of our imagination through visualization and affirmations, we can create the life we truly want. Remember, our imagination is the key to our beliefs, and our beliefs shape our reality. So, use your imagination to create a new reality in your mind and watch it manifest into your physical reality. Thank you for watching this video on the power of imagination in Neville Goddard's teachings. Stay tuned for more videos on Neville's teachings and how to apply them to your life.